Hey friends, if you wish to access privacy and security settings in Edge browser on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Open Microsoft Edge browser, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Okay, now in settings, go to the privacy search and services tab, and you can enable or disable tracking prevention, which will stop websites from tracking you, but don't make it very strict because otherwise it will be an issue while accessing websites. Then you can clear browser history, although there is another tab to do that, but this is also an option. Then you can go to privacy, and you can also activate do not track requests, but then again it has its own issues. Okay, so you can get diagnostic data, and you can allow Microsoft to save your browsing activity. I'd usually turn this off. And then you can go to the security tab, where you can permit websites to open with or without the SSL certificate, protect from harmful sites and downloads, and then scareware blocker, and use secure DNS. This basically means for HTTPS. You can turn it off if you frequently use websites without it. And then you can go to cookies. I usually delete cookies. I block third-party cookies, but a lot of features and a lot of websites will not work without it. So you can choose accordingly. And then comes site permissions, where you can give or deny permissions for sites on recent activity. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.